All right, this is for the bass clarinet study for Allstate. This is page 17, number 5. I'm going to play at the tempo of 96. So just go over a couple of things. If you'll look at measures 6 and 7, I'll show you the fingerings that I use for that. So for the D sharp, I use D in the side key. So for D sharp, F sharp, come back to that same D sharp, C sharp, and then for the B, use your 1st and 4th key. That way you can go to A sharp first, then measure 7, come back to that B, A sharp, B, C sharp, and then D sharp, E, F sharp. Now be careful, make sure in measure 9, you get that low F sharp as well. All right, hope that helps.